Hello, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So today we are going to discuss that how we can do the pencil art of any picture, and it will look like that you have done the pencil art of the any picture of anybody. You can see on my screen. So how we can do this? First of all, we have to open this app. After that, we have to click the any photo. Then we have to put the size, original size I am taking. Okay, after taking the original size, I have to go here. Pencil art we can make here. It is very easy. You can see here. By here you can make the pencil art. This is very good. This is cartoon effect as well. You can see. So this is very fantastic to use. You can see this. You can apply this. Very amazing. And as well as we can do the filter. And we can do the effect as well. You can see by here are so many effects by which we can do easily. When we will click on editor, so you will get the brightness, sharpness, contrast, blurs, and so many app options here. So by this you can do very easily. You can change the color as well. You can see. So this is very fantastic to use on editor. When we will click, as well as level, we can do the change. You can see by here. So this is very fantastic to use, and you can do the blur as you can do this. I like this app. So guys, still you do not like and subscribe my app, so see this app. And if you want to like and subscribe my channel, so first like and subscribe. And if you want to save this video, you have to click this icon of the top of editor. Okay, then easily you can save this. And must like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.